Hello and welcome. I am Ghulam Abbas from techros.com. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install and configure DHCP in Windows Server 2016 with PowerShell. So let's get started. Step 1, go ahead and open PowerShell as administrator, which I have already opened that one here. And then second one, first we need to install the DHCP. So in order to install, we need the name of the DHCP. So go ahead first and type there get Windows feature and then press enter on the keyboard. After typing this command, it's going to collect all the data which is available on the server manager. It means the features which are available. So when it should list it there down there, we are going to find out the DHCP name. So now it has been listed. Let me scroll up and find out the DHCP. Here is written the DHCP server and its name is DHCP. So I'm going to just select it and right click and it's going to copy that. So the next thing which I need to install it. So in order to install, just go ahead, type down there install Windows feature. In case it may happen that you don't know how to install this feature, you can just go ahead before install. Okay, I have to type down get help and then install Windows feature and press enter, and again it's going to bring me the syntaxes, the information about this command and how it's going to work. Here it has written this command has 3 usage, and here's also you can have a look the second one and then the third one which is here. This command is saying that go ahead, first you have to type down install Windows feature. I'm going to type down that thing, install Windows feature. Then after that it's saying that go ahead and type out the name. I'm also going to type down the name, and what is its name? That's called DHCP. And then after that it's saying also computer name. I don't think that computer name is needed right now, because computer name might work that time which you are trying to install DHCP on another server or another computer. And also credentials is not needed, and not sub features, but include management tools is needed. So this time I'm not going to copy, just I'm going to type press the dash and then I'm going to type I and then N, and this time go ahead and type press the tab button on the keyboard and again tab button on the keyboard, and now you can have a look that the include management tools has also been added there. And also I'm going to just go ahead and I'm going to type down dash, and in case it may happen if it requires to restart the system, then go ahead and restart the system. So again it is right now collecting the data for installing the DHCP in my server. So I have to wait for some seconds, at least it should install. So right now you can have a look here that it has been installed successfully. But can you see this warning? It has said that the following recommended condition is not met for the DHCP. No static IP addresses were found on this computer. And also it's saying that if the IP address changes, clients might not be able to contact this server. So it means that this server is not having a static IP address. So I can change the static IP address with the graphic user interface. Just go ahead, right click on the network and then select open network in sharing center, and then select on the Ethernet on the connections and then select properties. After that, when you select the properties, just go ahead and select Internet Protocol version 4, and now you can see here you can go ahead and type down the IP address which can be called the static IP address. But this tutorial is about PowerShell, and each and everything of this tutorial is about PowerShell. So we have to go ahead and start changing the static IP address or giving the IP address with the PowerShell. So for now I'm going to click cancel, and again close. Again I have to scroll it little above. Okay, to do or to have a new static IP address, first we need to find out the complete information about the adapter, I mean the internet connection which right now I am connected to. So let's go ahead, and for the first time let's go ahead and type down there get net IP address, sorry, IP configuration. And now here it is available. If I have to press the enter, and I have to wait for some second. So here you can have a look here that it is interface alias is called the Ethernet O, and also it is interface index is 15, and all other information which is currently available in for now. Right now you can see here its IP address is 192.168.239 and 130, and also its default gateway is 192.168.299.2. but the thing which I want that this IP address version v4, it means Internet Protocol version 4 address should be changed into the desired IP address which I desire. So in order to type down that command, what I have to do, that is a command called new IP address, but I have a problem with that with that command. So in order to solve that problem, I'm going to type out get what help, and then after help I'm going to type down there the new net IP address, new and then net IP, and then press tab. So get new net IP address. I don't know why it's not bringing that one, it is running too slow. So tab, yes, here it is, get help new net IP address, and then press enter on the keyboard, and it's going to bring the whole help file for this command. So here you can see here that it's saying that its command is this, and the syntaxes which will be needed, they are these things. You can see here it's saying that net new IP address. I'm also going to copy that and paste, and after that you can have a look here. It's saying that go ahead and type down the IP address and also the interface and default gateway address family IP origin before. So there will be many things, but these are the things which can be done, but I will make this command so simple. Here is also, you can go ahead and type down the new net IP address, then after that you have to type down again dash and then type IP and then press tab on the keyboard, and it's going to bring the IP address. Yes, just go ahead and type down the desired IP address, and the desired IP address will be 140.150.10. or 11.0, and then after that you have to type down there again dash and then press IN and then tab, and you can see here the interface alias. So what is interface alias? Here is written that Ethernet O. Just go ahead and copy that and again paste that one here, and that's all, and go ahead and press enter, and this is going to renew the IP address, and that time it must be also having a an alert one. Here's also this thing. So let's go ahead, I have to check that one graphically. Just go ahead, right click on that one and select open network and sharing center, and again Ethernet O and properties and Internet Protocol version 4, and you can have a look here that has been submitted here with the PowerShell. So for now, go ahead and close them. So now we have put down our static IP address, which is 140.150.11.0. but the next thing which is that we need to create a DHCP scope. For example, before going on, I have to type down DHCP mgmt.msc and then press enter. It's going to open the DHCP management console. Here you can have a look here that ghulamabas.techros.com. if I should expand, and again IP version before, you can see here there is no scope. If I want to create that graphically, I'm just going to click new scope, but it's PowerShell. I'm going to create that one with the PowerShell. So in order to create that scope, here's the thing. I don't know what is the command, but I don't know one part that has some mark with the DHCP. So in order to find out there, I'm going to type down there get command, and after that one I'm going to just press the star button, and then the DHCP, that should be a star with DHCP. For example, I'm going to search that DHCP commands and then close with the star and then press enter. Find out the magic. Have a look at the magic. See, these are all the commands which are just for the PowerShell. For the DHCP. Here you can have a look here. It's written add DHCP server invoke and also add DHCP server group policy and other things. The thing which I'm after, that is scope, and that has to be. Again, I'm going to this time to do something else. DHCP server version 4. I'm going to search that one. DHCP server version 4, and this time again close that one and press enter and have a look. This time it has been listed smaller, and this time have a look here. Here is written remove DHCP server scope. No, I am after the get DHCP server scope. Here that is, or you can have a look here, add DHCP server scope, and this is the command which I am after. So now I'm just going to click copy and then go ahead and paste that one. But in case again it may happen you don't know how to use this command, again just go ahead and type down get help and then press enter, and it's again going to bring for you there how we can use this command. So again, we have a look here. You can have a look here at the syntax, and here it says that you have to try it first this one, and then the start range, and then the end range IP address, and then the subnet mask, and then the name if needed, and activation policies. I don't think these are needed because they will be applied on the second computer which you are going to apply. So for now, just go ahead and type down here add scope and paste yes, and then the next thing is start range, and go ahead range and type down the IP address which you want to be the scope. I think that was 140.150.1011. I think that was no 11.1. I think I'm going to put there 2 and then the end E and D and then the tab, and then I want to 140.150.11.100, and then after that here was written the subnet mask. Again I'm going to do the same thing, just subnet mask, and then this time will be 255.255.255.0, and then the name, activation, computer name, delay, description. If you want to give description, just go ahead. You can also give description. I'm going to description, and this time I'm going to put that one into quotas. I think it is called quotas. So I'm going to one thing else I forgot, and that has to be the name of the scope. So no problem, I'm going to just put the name of the scope there. And yeah, it has to be called DHCP client. And then I think I should remove the description because that's not needed, that's optional. If you put or if you do not put, that can work. So, and that's all, and press enter, and let's have a look the magic, and it has been installed successfully. So let's go ahead and check it out. DHCP mgmt.msc, and then press enter and have a look here. Expand IP version v4 and have a look here. DHCP client 140.150.11.0, and you can also put reserve some commands. You can also put some address lists, some address pools, some scope options, and all other things which you need. So it was all about how to install and configure and put a static IP address with PowerShell in Windows Server 2016. If you like this tutorial, please go ahead, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also visit the whole article of this tutorial with a step-by-step guide in my website. which is called techroze.com, techroze.com. That is ZE, not SE. So if you had any question, just go ahead, please put down your questions in the comment section, whether in YouTube or in my website. So till next time, have a nice time and goodbye.